Hello, welcome back. This is James from UX Shape. I just want to quickly take you through today's system I just decided to develop today. Although I've finished it and I'm just going to walk you through the system. It's an overview, but I'll still do a tutorial on how the system is developed. Um, this prototype wireframe is developed using Axure RP 7.0 and it's just a simple payroll and HR system whereby you can use to manage your employee and payroll and some P60 and P65, something like that, P45 as well. So let me just show you the home page. As you can see, there is the home page that has been designed, and we have the header, we have the about us, the how to work, sign up, and also we have the login. We have a banner and a brief description. What we've done here, we've added some interactive notes as well. So if you look at here, we've had the shape name, we've had some interaction, and we've also had some notes as well. So that if we want to present this prototype or a wireframe to our stakeholders, they can go through it and read this notes as well that we've included, so as to know how the system will be developed. So next there is just a little images and some text that can show what your system is all about, and if you're providing this solution for multiple small businesses, then you want to show them that you have developed a good system. And just simple the footer, which have the links, which have some accreditation that shows that you are working based on policies, securing people's data, and you take investors and people seriously. So such kind of logo can be added here, but obviously you need to register with them. The other one is the social media. I've decided to add only 5. The Facebook, we on everybody has Facebook account. Twitter is good for business as well. LinkedIn is good for business and professional people. So and a lot of HR people on LinkedIn, so you might want to connect with them. And Skype for communication, and also YouTube to showcase your product to potential small businesses. What we've done here again is the getting started as well. We've had a simple login screen which shows the login and which shows forgot password link, and also a sign up link. We've done some interaction here as well. This is a dynamic panel. As you can see, it's a dynamic panel here with 3 states, which is the login, sign up, and forgot password. And each of these interactive panel has a lot of things that we've done. If you can see this sign up page, and there's the password recovery, so we can close it. So the next one I want to go through is the my account section, where if a user have logged in, they're expected to be directed to a my account section. And this section, where I've used a lot of interactivity, dynamic panel, some widget as well that is hidden, so that when the page load, the user is not going to see this information. And it's quite detailed here, pinning to browser. A lot of interaction is done here. So just a quick run through, and yes, same footer for consistency, and just another things to show to the user that have logged in what your system is all about. And yeah, then you have some basic menu here that I've created. You have the personal details, the contract, the just a moment, I think this is covering it here. Alright, so we have the personal details, we have the contract, we have the pay slip, timesheet, P60, leave and request. Well, technically these are some of the things you will expect to have to manage for your employees. Obviously you want to manage their records, their details, their visa information, their work rights and things like that can be managed here. Their contract, employment contract when they sign, and all that can be managed here. The document references can be managed here. And their pay slips, obviously when you pay them, you want them to have access to their pay slip online, so their pay slip can also be managed here. The other one you need to manage is the timesheet. So if they need to complete the timesheet every month, or the timesheet is generated automatically for them, at least you want them to have record of the timesheet so they know what hours they've been paid for and how they have been paid and things like that. Yeah. And also the P60, you want to send them every year so that they actually know what they are being paid yearly and things like that. And also the leave request, well, it is important because every employer have leave allowance, so they might want to request the leave and things like that. And also um, I've actually changed the name of this request to expenses, so I think I'll just change that link to expenses. Now, the expenses will be if you have a policy in your organization whereby employee we have to travel with their car to clients, and they have to claim for their mileage, for lunch, for any expenses, anything they buy that is being used for the business and they want to claim back. You can provide a link for them to actually do that. And I've not actually walked through all the details, but if I show you what I've done, this is the personal details, which just shows you the personal detail, and you can just put some little text there what they can do in the system. And also just a bit of information here. I've added if they have any changes. So let's say your employee is single when he joined your company, and they are married now and they want to submit their change of name to a new name or a bank account. So you can have just a simple link here whereby when they click it, then you have some menu that are displayed here for them to actually click through to you know make sure that they can actually submit their change or request well. And also we have contract here, so it just shows so the person can see the employment contract and details what they can do here and things like that. And also you can have some information here such as like a dashboard, how long they've worked, if they have grievances, what is their terms of employment, what they are supposed to do, the policies and procedures, and yeah, and things like that. And also just to show a brief of whether how long they've worked in the organization, which kind of shows that you are keeping track. This is simple, and you can actually improve on this interface, but at the moment the purpose of this tutorial is just to walk you through it. This next one might want to look at is the pay slip management, which shows the current tax year, which will be 2016, as I'm recording it in 2016. And you might want to have some text here to show what they can do in this page as well, so that the user understand how to use your system properly. And also just in a simple interface to make sure they have ability to select each view at least if you're adopting this system in 2000 and let's say 16, and you've been in existence for 10 years, so obviously you might want to backdate and all those record if you want to, or you can start from 2016. So when the system is fully developed, programmed by a developer and things like that, then all this information will be sorted out properly. But just an outline of how the system will be done. So if they select 2016, the idea will be in this box, it will it should display the 2016 information about their pay slip, and they can view the pay slip or print the pay slip, yeah, or yeah, or send the pay slip and anything they want to do with that pay slip. Also, same concept with the timesheet as well. They can fill the timesheet. They can, make sure they can view their previous timesheet. If they have any complaint, they could log in a complaint here as well. I think this wage issue might probably go through the payslip management as well. But like I said, I just quickly put this through, and I didn't really do much of the thinking. This just take me about 10 minutes to put through. The next one you might want to look at is the page 60, and yeah, so same concept, just for them to view that information. And leave management, they can view leave, they can request, they can cancel, and they can see how many days they have left and all that. And expenses, they can submit receipts, they can do a whole lot of things in this expense management. So and in this wireframe prototype, I've actually made use of a footer which I've made it masters, so that it's constant in every page, and when I make changes here, it reflecting all changes. In my previous tutorial, I've explained masters is, look at master as if you have a CSS style sheet, and when you make a changes to a particular CSS code, you'll be able to reflect that changes alongside your application. So yeah, this as well, I've make it masters as well, so that it's consistent. So yes, so let me just show you through how this look like in a real browser. To preview it, you hit on this preview button, or you go to F5, or you can go to publish and you can preview. So I'll just hit on this L5 and it goes to preview. Well, I'm previewing it from here, so it's showing me the first page that I preview, but let's cancel it and let us preview it again from the home page. Yeah, let's preview from the home page. Yeah, this is the page loaded in Google Chrome now, and as you can see, this is the sitemap. You have the page notes here. If you have any page note, you can add it to your wireframe prototype, so that developer understand, or stakeholders understand what you're actually doing in each page and design. As you can see here, I've added some annotation in this design. So this button, if you click on it, it's going to show you this information to show if they click this button, then it's going to take them to a particular page. So let's click it and see if that annotation is working. So we've clicked on it. Yeah, it takes us to the login screen, and we can also see annotation as well. You click the login screen and you can log in, and you can see the my account page. You can go through this as well, and all these are done using interactions, and you can see easy interface, nothing so complicated, and all the design can all come up in the body of the page. And yes, so if you want to log out, I've made it also because you want to make this look a little bit cool, sometimes necessary. But if you click on login, yeah, it just gives you a little bit pop-up modal box, which I've done as well, and I'm going to teach you how to do a pop-up modal box in some tutorials. And if you want to continue and you are not sure, you click continue, it goes back, and if you are sure you want to log out, then you log out and you go back to your home page. And that is it for this tutorial. If you like any of the tutorial I've done so far, and if you like this, and if you have any specific question, drop me a line, and then I will be glad to answer your queries. Thank you very much for watching. This is James Oriel from UX Shape. Thank you. Bye.